Hello, my name is John Byrne and I'd like to introduce you to a new research project we're launching called the MUSICaL study. MUSICaL stands for MSI Urine Surveillance to Identify Cancers in Lynch Syndrome. We'd really like some feedback from people with Lynch Syndrome to help us design the study to do it the best we can. So as you know, Lynch Syndrome is caused by a problem with a gene that's involved in spell checking your DNA when it's being copied. And if the system breaks down, then you pick up lots of spelling mistakes in the copied DNA. And the bits that are most likely to get damaged in this way are called microsatellites, or bits of repetitive DNA. And microsatellite instability is the key feature of the DNA coming from tumours in Lynch syndrome. Now you know that you can get cancers in the colon, and that's why we do colonoscopy, and women can get cancers in the womb. That's why we offer hysterectomy once women have finished their families. But a lot of people with Lynch syndrome aren't aware that there is a significant increased risk of cancers in the kidneys, the bladder, and the two tubes connecting them, called the ureters. And the people who've got MSH2 gene involved are the ones particularly at risk, but there's also a significant increased risk for the MLH1 and MSH6 group too. We'd like to know if you were aware of that, and also we'd like to know whether you'd like to take part in the study and collect a sample for us to test. What we do is extract DNA from the urine, and if we see MSI DNA in the urine, it means there's a high likelihood that there's a cancer somewhere in the system, and we can refer you in for further tests to find out where it is. We've done a pilot study, and among 80 people with the MSH2 gene, 4 of them had a cancer, and 2 of those it was possible for the surgeons to cure it without doing an operation, just doing it through an endoscope. The sample collection is the key question we'd like to ask you about. We can either collect a urine sample when you come in for your colonoscopy, or we can send you a kit to your home and find out from the collected sample that you take when you get up in the morning. The kit that we send you is very easy to use, and there's a post box which is paid for you to return it to us. The samples are all tested in Newcastle, and we'll get a result back to people in about 4 to 6 weeks. And as I say, if anything is picked up, then we'll arrange with one of your local consultants for you to be seen quickly by the hospital team for further tests. There's a form attached to this video for you to fill in and give us your feedback, and if you'd like to get in touch with us, you'll see that there's an email address as well. Thank you for your help.